What's up guys, Shane Starnes here with Droid Modder X. Today we're going to be taking a look at the full case lineup from Ghostek for the Galaxy S9. Big shout outs to Ghostek for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we dive into these cases, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and that you've hit that notification bell for more coverage on the Galaxy S9. As you guys know, when it comes to cases, I'm not going to use a case unless it is guaranteed to protect my phone. The entire Ghostek lineup includes at least 2 times military drop protection, which means you're not going to crack your screen when you drop your phone. As you can see here, these cases can be dropped on concrete, they can be thrown across the yard, and they're going to provide the ultimate protection for your phone. The first case that we'll look at also happens to be my favorite Ghostek case for the Galaxy S9, and that is the Atomic Slim. This does provide that 2-time military drop protection. I like the fact that it has an aluminum alloy frame. The one thing that you normally lose when you put a case on your phone is that metal feel. Most cases have either a rubber surround or a hard plastic surround, and I really miss that cold metal feel. You get that with the Atomic Slim case. It makes this case feel ultra premium. The Atomic Slim offers a 2-layer protection with a polycarbonate center and that metal aluminum alloy frame. You're also going to get metallic button covers with reinforced seams that also block out dust and debris. I really love these metal button covers because they're not going to wear out over time. Of course, all your cutouts here are perfect for the camera and also the charge port and 3.5mm headphone jack. Next up, we'll take a look at the Cloak 3. The Cloak 3 also has 2 times military drop protection with the multi-layer design. This is one of the slimmer cases offered by Ghostek, so it almost feels like the case is not even there. The precision cut button covers are chrome finished, which really makes them stand out. The Cloak 3 also features a non-slip diamond grip, which means you're not going to be dropping this phone very often. I like the fact that it has that clear back so that you're able to see the beautiful design of the Galaxy S9. Once again, cutouts are perfect for the camera, the USB charge port, and 3.5mm headphone jack. If you're looking for a case that has both a sharp design and is also multifunctional, you're going to want to take a look at the Exec 2. While the Exec 2 is super stylish, it doesn't sacrifice at protecting your phone. It also includes 2-time military drop protection. It includes that non-slip diamond grip, so you're not going to be dropping your phone as often. And the one awesome feature here is that it does include a 5-card wallet pocket right there on the back. You don't even have to carry your wallet anymore, just carry this stylish case. You'll be able to carry your identification and all the debit and credit cards that you need. Even with the wallet pocket, this case is still super slim. And the one thing that really stands out about the Exec 2 is that it includes 5 different material layers built inside the case for complete drop protection. A lot of wallet cases are super bulky. This one is super light, and you're still going to be able to easily access your 3.5mm headphone jack and charge port. The Covert 2 is another clear designed case. This allows you to show off the design of the Galaxy S9. It also includes 2 times military drop protection. You'll see that it has reinforced corners, which will provide even more impact resistance. This is another super slim option, so if you're looking for a less bulky case, this is probably the one to go with. This time you've got soft touch buttons for maximum use quality, and of course you still have perfect cutouts for the camera, charge port, and 3.5mm headphone jack. If you're looking for 360 total protection of the Galaxy S9, you're going to have to go with the Nautical 2. The Nautical 2 offers the most protection from Ghostek cases with 3 times military standard drop protection. Not only are you going to get that awesome drop protection, you're also going to get IP68 extreme waterproof protection, shockproof protection, dustproof, snowproof. This case is going to protect your phone from all the elements. With the Nautical 2 case, your phone can survive drops from up to 20 feet high and get 1 hour of waterproof protection. The Nautical 2 also includes reinforced substructure soft touch grips for maximum shock absorbency. The touch-sensitive screen guard also means that the Gorilla Glass 5 on your Galaxy S9 will not be susceptible to scratching, which is just another added element of this case's protection. While your phone will be protected 360 degrees, you're still going to have easy access for maximum call quality and access to all ports and jacks. If you're looking for fashionable protection for the Galaxy S9, look no further than the Ghostek case lineup. I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can pick up your Ghostek case today. If you like the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can find more of me at droidmodderx.com. Follow me on Twitter at droidmodderx. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.